Fire crews were taken by surprise after finding a semi-conscious man in a still smouldering St Kilda cafe overnight. They pulled him to safety, having already evacuated elderly residents from the neighbouring RSL.
More than an hour after the alarm was raised, firefighters made an unexpected discovery.
He's breathing.
Michael Zenaldine was unresponsive. It's not known how long he'd been inside.
Outside the road, mate.
The cafe owner was unhurt and taken to the Alfred Hospital in a stable condition. Earlier, residents from St Kilda's RSL had called the fire brigade because they could smell smoke.
So there was just a few people, they have breathing problems normally, so any time that smoke goes through the building, it's a bit of a concern.
The fire was out by the time crews arrived. They couldn't find the cause until they broke into the cafe. Bartender Baha Harb visited his boss in hospital this morning.
He couldn't remember everything, what happened exactly last night.
Michael Zenaldine has run the Zenith Cafe for more than a decade.
Customers since this morning, he's just answering the phone, everyone is asking about him.
Investigators believe an electrical fault is to blame. They say a dodgy extension cord is the most likely cause.
The fire was contained to the kitchen. Emma O'Sullivan, 10 News.